right, good day, folks. I want to bring you guys a low cap gem that is breaking out bullishly, that has a very good chance of doing very well in the near future. I'm going to explain what's going on with the situation, how I would approach getting into UnMarshal here, a major news story, and my exact exit strategy for UnMarshal. So folks, if you like the sound of that, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Now, I know there's a lot of concern with what's going on in the market right now with Bitcoin. I made a video recently trying to explain my views and opinions on Bitcoin. I really need to find a way to do a better job of explaining the difference between technical and fundamental analysis, and getting across the point, the difference between short-term and long-term. So in the short term here, I am concerned with Bitcoin. I am concerned with the state of the market. But long-term, I'm very bullish. The fundamentals for crypto has never been better. And so because of that, I want to bring you guys a low-cap gem that is a long-term hold for me. I want to explain what's going on with the technicals, why this is very interesting, some news stories, and my exit plan with this thing. So folks, without further ado, let's delve into what's going on. This is UnMarshal. It's essentially a data indexing service specifically for DeFi. So as DeFi is too mature and the crypto space as a whole is too mature, these different sorts of resources, whether insurance or indexes, oracles, are going to become more and more needed. So UnMarshal is one of these indexing resources that I'm very bullish on long term, kind of similar to the graph. We're forming this descending triangle here. We broke out bullishly. This is a setup that I first shared with our VIP Discord members the other day. So if you guys want to join our VIP Discord and get the setups that we're looking at before anyone else sees them, join our VIP Discord. Link for that is down in the description below through our Patreon. So what's going on with this picture? We're in this descending triangle, broke up bullishly, we got rejected off resistance, went back down to retest the breakout zone, held it as support, and we have now broken above that previous resistance level at $4.90 to about $5 20 cents, 17 cents. So if UnMarshal can continue to hold above $5.15, $5.20, I think we could see bullish continuation. As long as we maintain above this previously reactive, previously relevant zone, I think we could see bullish continuation. We have gotten confirmation. We went back down to retest the breakout zone, held it as support. We're making new higher highs after a bullish breakout. This is a textbook bullish breakout, very likely to see bullish continuation, especially if we can flip the $6 from resistance into support. We have the 618 Fibonacci retracement. They're acting as resistance, and it is also a very price reactive level historically. So if UnMarshal can get above and hold above $6, I think we could at the very least see all-time highs from about $1 to about $10 is my price target, especially if we flip $6 from resistance into support. Now, UnMarshal has recently announced a partnership with Polka cover, and this is a big deal because what this partnership shows is that UnMarshal is gaining real-world adoption and real-world use case, because Polka cover is essentially an insurance aggregator. Insurance is another niche I'm very bullish on long-term, as with like these indexing tools such as UnMarshal here. And so they've partnered with UnMarshal because while there's plenty of raw data available for these different dApps such as Polka cover, what UnMarshal does for something like Polka cover is structure the data, structure the information through these different decentralized applications, and makes that information more valuable to a decentralized application such as Polka Sorter that does insurance aggregation. If they get better, clearer information, that is very valuable to a project like Polka cover. So this is just one example of how something like UnMarshal has real world use case and is already partnering with other projects to help improve their functionality. So I think this is the first of many more announcements to come. Very bullish on this thing long term. It's already having real world adoption. It has real world use case. We've had a massive correction. We're breaking out bullishly, making higher highs and higher lows. So again, folks, we have broken out bullishly. We have gotten some confirmation. If you wanted to play this super secure, super safe, I would wait to see if UnMarshal can flip $6 and hold that as support. If we can, I think $9-10 is a no-brainer in my opinion. Again, this is a long-term hold for me. So whether the market decides to take another nosedive or we find rejection now, I'm very comfortable with holding UnMarshal for the long term because it has great fundamentals. If crypto is to mature as an ecosystem, something like UnMarshal is going to be needed for this ecosystem to grow and mature. So very bullish on this thing long term. That's what's going on with UnMarshal. And if you want to understand our exact sell strategy and when we're selling, folks, check out this video where we break down the token unlock schedule for UnMarshal and explain our kind of take profit strategy for UnMarshal over the long term. I'll leave a link for that somewhere in the top right of this video, as well down in the description below. So make sure you check that out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Because again, if anything interesting happens with this project, we're going to be talking about it. And if you want access to projects such as these, become a VIP Discord member. Link to join that is through our Patreon down in the description below. We talk one-on-one with our Discord members regularly, so make sure you check all that out. Folks, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.